Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel video. Okay, we're making Fil A nuggets. I repeat, we're making Fil A nuggets. We already in the kitchen. You already know what it is. Like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe. And let's get into it. Breast cut up is obviously made to tenderloins. So now I'm just gonna make them smaller. So I'm gonna give it 1 inch cube dice, and you can see, repeat the process again. Keep doing this. Okay. And after that, I'm gonna add it to my brine, my pickle brine, because Chick-fil-A, they also use pickle juice. So, you know, I guess that's what makes the chicken nuggets different from any other restaurant spots, aka McDonald's, aka Wendy's, aka other places that do chicken nuggets. So I'm gonna throw this in this brine, and it's gonna be supposed to be brining for 2 hours, and it's supposed to go in the refrigerator. All right, let's do it. So as you can see, guys, we're starting a breading procedure. So you take your 2 eggs, crack them, of course. I'm professional, so I crack with 1 hand. Then you crack that egg. I learned this while I was in school. One of my baking students showed me how to do this. Anyway, just side note. Then after that, you mix it. You want to lean the bowl to the pan so it can mix accordingly. Always tell when your eggs are mixed firmly when it's not extra gooey, you know. Okay, so yeah. Then next, we have your dry ingredients, these eggs. So, what you start off with is 1 1/2 cup of flour. This is 1 cup. And this is your half. Next, your 1/2 teaspoon of paprika. Then you have your salt, which is 2 teaspoons. Then you have your 1 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Lastly, powdered sugar. This is 3 tablespoons. Then next, you mix. Breading procedure. So as you know, this goes right here, this goes second, and this goes third. So you take your chicken, dip it in your egg mixture. So you mix it, then you drench that, so you get all excess liquid off. Yeah. Let's say throw it in there, but like, you know. I'm gonna try to do 10 pieces. It's a little demonstration. Then I'm gonna finish the rest of them up. Leave this apart so it could be 10. Then with your other hand, you're gonna mix it in together. Then once it's mixed, then you throw it in your pan, your oil. So as you can see, my oil is hot. Guys, please don't discolor the color. It was a brighter color earlier, but I cooked something earlier. So yeah, my pan's not too hot, just by the way. Alright, so what you do, you add your chicken nuggets inside and allow that to cook. You always want to cook your, don't fry food on low, don't cook it too high, or it's gonna burn. And then the inside will be raw. Trust to believe. I've seen that mistake happen plenty of times. So you allow them to cook until you see a golden brown color. If there's a golden brown color, obviously take them out. So add 10 in there. I'm gonna use chopsticks to make sure I check on the chicken nuggets. So, as you can see, they're almost done. They're like getting there. Bear with me. So you guys, you already know what it is. We're making homemade Polynesian sauce, Fil A. So what we do, we add 1 cup of French dressing. This is Canola dressing. That's why I looked that color. It's not normal dressing that you would normally see in the, your salad people will have. Most people use this type of brand. Then next, we get 6 tablespoons of honey. So it's all in there. Alright. Then next, we add 3 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar. Now we gradually whisk, and then after that, you refrigerate. You know what? When you mix it up, it looks like Chick-fil-A sauce. If you look at it real good, like. See, y'all gotta go to that long line of Chick-fil-A, stand there for 30 minutes, wait for your order. And you know, there go your Polynesian sauce. So I'm about to refrigerate this, and then we're gonna drop some more chicken nuggets in. I'll be back with you guys. So as you can see right now, the chicken nuggets are done. Look at that golden brown texture. Ooh. So now we're gonna grab each one of these out. They look so small, but that's the size you want them. They look so good. Nice and golden brown and nice and golden. We're gonna keep continuing doing this process until like all my chicken that I did is done. And I'll come back for the final presentation. I get like a 12 count, but I'm gonna be, you know, health conscious. I'm gonna give me an 8 count. So you know they give you your 8 counts. Sometimes they go a little bit extra, sometimes they go a little bit under. But let's just 8 count. Alright. You know they always give you your waffle fries. They just dump them in there. They give you like that. These are seasoned, by the way. And then, you know, you want your any sauce inside, man? My favorite sauce is Polynesian sauce. We already made ours, so I'm gonna put some on the side. I don't have like a little cup thing. So I'm gonna put on the side right there, and they'll be like, oh my god, here, voila, here's your food. So you already know I'm gonna try it. Finger looking good. So you can make this at home instead of waiting in a long line. Most people wait 30 minutes in the line for Chick-fil-A. You can make your own at home. It's not that complicated. It's real simple. And yeah, you know, thank you for watching my video. Hope you like, comment, and subscribe. I gotta swallow my food first. Anyway, subscribe the video. Thank you guys for watching. And there's more footage of me. You will see if you go watch my latest videos that I just posted. And also share it with other people. And that's a wrap.
This is serious!